Alright, hey, this is Reggie The Plumber. Here we go again. Got about an 80-foot water service from the meter to the house. This one was a little more challenging just because, as you can see, we had to saw cut the driveway. Couldn't bore up underneath it because it's about 40 feet. So we had to saw cut up underneath the driveway. We got it saw cut, jackhammered it up, all the concrete away, and we're about to run her a new PEX line. We're gonna put a new valve box there, new meter, cut-off valve, and we're gonna run the line all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. And when we get here, I'm gonna sleeve it. I'm gonna put an 1.5-inch pipe in there and run the water line through the pipe. This way, when the cars go by, they don't disturb it. And over here, when we get over here, we're gonna tie into the copper main, and she'll have a brand new water service. You know what? I got a good piece.
Yeah, where?
If you walk in there, right where that was, where it was sitting up in front. Quarter.
There goes here. Right there.
And let's do 8 again, Jay.
About 8?
12.
12? Okay.
Look.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah.
Hey, make that 7.
7 inches?
Yes, please. So, instead of repairing it and putting a Band-Aid on old pipe, the customer opts to replace a new pipe. And that's what we're doing.
I feel blessed. Way up,
Right.
I feel blessed.
No leaks so far.
Hold on. Oh, you got it open, not you got it closed over there?
Yeah.
I feel blessed. Since the truth keep niggas traumatized. They try and compromise my.
This is how you make the connection between the poly PEX and the copper. This is called a 1-inch sharp bite, 1 by 3/4 sharp bite. And then what you should do is always insulate the sharp bite, because if you don't, the acidity in the dirt is gonna eat it, and then you'll be out here on a recall. I don't do recalls.
Do it.
I don't like it, didn't go on good.
You didn't?
Nope.
You want the hammer in the
Yes, please.
Okay. There you
There
go.
we go.
That's it. That's it.
Now she went off.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right, now we got one more connection.
That's right.
Wrap. I'm putting this 3/4 T half in the middle because I'm gonna put a temporary hose bib here. These people ain't got no hose bibs in the front of the house, so I need water for the concrete. So that's why I'm doing this. But I'm gonna cap it once we get the water. That's my theme song. got a family to feed. I got about 12 employees. So I play this every morning. That's my motivation. I got a family to feed. I gotta feed everybody. Make sure everybody get fed. Hey, get it, Jay! Get it, Jay! Look at it. He said like Uncle Jay, right? Yeah. Having fun at work, man. This into that, it's a wrap. We cut these people water on and everybody's happy.
It's on, Reg.
For what you got, diamond at the top, sun rooftop, digging on the scene with the gangster lean. Woo-hoo.
He's happy.
No.
He's happy.